Hello, everyone. Glad you could join us. Today, we're going to talk about the fuck first rule. And so, yes, I know you're wondering, what? What do you mean? So, it is common for couples to go on date nights. And when you go on a date night, you get all dressed up, you get all cute and fancy, and then you say, it is time. This is when we're going to have the sex. I want to make sure it happens sometime tonight. But here's the problem. You go out to eat, and when you go out to eat and eat food, all of the blood that's in your body that's supposed to go to like a penis or a vulva actually goes to your stomach to process the food. So you get kind of like tired, and you're like, I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. If you're having anything like drinks, which some of you do during a date, then guess what drinks do? They numb you. So like, I get like some people are drinking because they're trying to get a little flirty or like lose some of their filters, but there is such a small window with alcohol that you end up basically drinking past it, and then you're numb. Your body doesn't feel as good. The sex after alcohol is the worst sex. There is a thing called whiskey dick. If you haven't heard of it, please look it up. It basically means you can't get an erection, and you can't get an erection. And for both of you, you struggle to get orgasms because again, your bodies are physically numb. So basically people, and then there's a third thing that gets in the way. You stay up too late because of course it's a date and you're gonna it's Friday. Let's go hard or go home. We're so excited. We're going to live our lives. Well, guess what? You don't even have energy. So a lot of you are doing dates wrong. Sorry, but you are. And it's because you are trying to plan sex at the end of the date. Here's the solution. Fuck first. You're welcome. All you have to do is plan it into your date. And what it looks like is, as you're starting to get ready, like some of you take showers before you go on your date, put the kiddos on the TV to watch, go sneak up into the bedroom, get a little frisky, before you go on your date, before you put your makeup on. As I got my makeup on, right? Go and be frisky and have a little fun. And guess what? You have more energy because it's the middle of the day. You feel better. You actually are not disoriented or full or drunk or tired, but you are fully present for the sex that you're having. And I want you to be fully present for the sex you're having because it makes it way better sex. Sober sex is the best sex. So my challenge to you, if you want to have better sex, is stop having your date night sex at the end of the night, which is sloppy sex anyways. Have it in the beginning. And then what's fun is you've already got it out of the way. So you just get a little flirty and sweet through the date. People end up being a little more handsy and romantic during the date as a result, because you feel close and gooey in the good way, like, I love you. He's so cute. That's how I want you to feel during your date. And then at the end of the day, when you're exhausted, you just go to bed and cuddle. So if you would like to see me, please submit a contact form at therapist.stlouis.com. Please also like and subscribe and submit your comments below about how you plan to have sex before your date.